To do that all every night?
Hey y'all, every time I eat. Hey y'all. I mean, yeah, my wife's questioning my judgment. What am I doing to myself with all this hot sauce? So dinner is some sugar snap peas, chicken, and some rice, and our trusty habanero hot sauce. She's questioning my insanity, I think. I'm gonna keep it simple. Okay, we're watching the Olympics opening ceremony, guys. I did one bite yesterday. I only was unable to do one. I'm gonna go for two. I know it's burning, but my mouth is on fire. On fire! I'm gonna go for two for this ends.